Now this video shows you how to use Quick Assist for remote support. It's available on Windows 10 and also Windows 11. You may need to log on to this using an email address. So what you will do is you will go to the search bar and you will type in Quick Assist. And there we are. You open that and then you will get this popping up. And as I said, you may need to log on to this with your email. And then you will ask the person at the other line who is giving you support for the security code. Now, the security code is case sensitive, so if there's capital letters, make sure that you put on those. And then you press submit. And then you wait a few seconds. And if this takes longer than 1 or 2 minutes, close down Quick Assist and then reopen it. And inform the other person on the other line that there is a difficulty. So then after that, if there is no issue, this will pop up. You just simply press allow. I understand security implications, and press allow. And then you wait again another few seconds. And this is dependent on the speed of your internet. And there we have it. So the final thing then is where the support person on the line will request access. So at the top of the screen, you will see a button to allow access. And that is the end of this video tutorial on how to use Quick Assist. And thank you for watching.